Bruh. Hot lap.
Why are you so mad? Guys, Malcolm loves doing these hot laps every week. It's actually his favorite part of the week.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Bring it here.
Yeah, be honest.
I love it. I don't know what the outro is. But it is June 16th. 4 days till Juneteenth. 3 days till Juneteenth. I hope you all have off. It's a federal holiday.
You don't have off.
You know where he stands.
What the That's crazy.
Okay, hot lap number 63. Hot lap number 63. If you're enjoying these videos, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
I'm just gonna watch.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Last week we announced our Thrash Racing seat winner. Congratulations, Dracula. He chose the red Prospect Sigma with the black carbon back. Already shipped it out to him. Congrats.
I think his children commented?
Yeah, his kids commented on the last video. Oh, it says, I can't believe I won the seat, but I also can't believe that's still my dad's voicemail. Well, congrats. In other news, what do we have? Lock City Drift Street Series Round 2 was this weekend.
Past week.
This last weekend, right? Yeah. Jimmy Oaks and Front Street Josh drove. I don't know how they did. If you guys know, let us know. I don't think they placed, but it looked like it was fun. This weekend is Formula Drift. We will see you there, and Pro Rowdown. Saturday and Sunday we'll be at Englishtown Raceway Park. So come say hello. We'll have a booth for FD and Pro Rowdown. I forgot the name for a second. Yeah, we'll be there. Come say hi. It's going to be a hot one. At least it's not going to be a wet one. That's all that matters. Finally, a clear weekend. It's been about 6 years since I saw the sun. Look at it. Look at it outside right now. Yup. Look at our new door. We got a window. Turn the light on. How does it... Boom. Look at that. This would have been cool to have for the open house, but too late now.
Gotta have another one now.
Yeah, another open house just for this, to showcase the door. Open door. Let's see. On the last hot lap, we got another comment. Malcolm is hilarious. Thank you. Big love. Hair is looking great, Frankie. Happy Pride Month to my favorite mask lesbian. I told Frankie about that. He said, oh, wow, thanks. Thanks so much. He actually took it as a compliment. Yeah. What else we got? Ooh. Part of the week. We got some more Thrash Racing shift knobs are back in stock. These are all Nissan Thread Pitch M10 by 125. Got the mushroom shape back in stock. Gonna update the website soon with stock numbers. But got these in stock. These are very heavy, about, say, a little over a pound. Yeah. Then we also got, hold on, let's put this back. We also got the big boy, the heavy one. This one's about 2 pounds. M10 by 125. Yeah, back in stock. Nissan Thread Pitch, ready to go. We'll update the website soon, so you guys can order this. Very nice chip. Now it's very affordable, very quality, high quality. Yeah. Eddie uploaded the last part of the R34 Skyline build series, part 3. Yeah, go check that out. Eddie also, we'll save that for later, actually. Last week we had a podcast with Daring Ones drift team, local drift team with Eric, John, and Ron. Go check that one out, episode 155. It was a really fun, chill episode. This week, we have Damien of Car Shop Kuroshi, a.k.a. Damien from Pile Up Podcast, the host. He will be here this week, episode 156. It should be a fun one. I have no idea what we're going to talk about, but you know Damien, he's always full of surprises, so it's going to be fun. Going to be fun. I'll bring it up now. Eddie released the open house video. If you guys have not watched that yet, go check it out. It's very good. Carl commented on the video and said, "Okay, Eddie, you killed this video. I felt every bit of it." That's what he's good at. Hot lap. Mati Ale says, "Faction needs more love." Send the love. We need love. What you subscribe? What you torquing down?
Torquing that ass.
I said torquing, not twerking.
Oh, main studs. Yep. Just measuring
For this right here? Mm-hmm. You know what you're doing?
We're going to find out when you turn that key.
Be alright. What do we got over here? Got this little bubble. We got the little bubble on the lift. Fixing some tie rods, right, Jesus? Uh-oh. Where's he running to?
Running away.
Were the tie rods backwards?
Yes.
They were backwards?
Yes.
Oh, Lewis. Good old Lewis.
I don't know why he did that before, but yeah, they were backwards.
He thought he was onto something. What do we got over here? What's Kris doing? Working on an SC430. I can see you in one of these, Kris.
That's crazy.
Looks good. Oh, almost back together. You did a whole timing belt, right?
And cam seals. But you gotta take the camshaft out.
Oh, wow. This guy does it all.
Does he? Do I?
He likes the shafts. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Firebird. Caw. This thing's got a crank no start issue. Give us your predictions. It's nothing basic like a spark plug or fuel issue. Let us know what you think. It's out of gas.
It needs a flux capacitor and a wiffle pin.
A flux capacitor and a wiffle pin.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at this one. Oh. What you doing on this, Jesus?
Head gasket.
Damn.
Yep. Cylinder 7 was just,
Smoked.
yep. It's fun.
We do it all here, guys. Oh, no. Oh, dang, that thing leaking under there. That's all right. Also another comment on the open house video. Lord of all waffles. I know Frankie likes waffles. Drove. Oh, you said pancakes are better? That's a tough one. Homemade pancakes versus homemade waffles. What are you choosing? Pancakes? All right. Eggo waffle or a McDonald's pancake? What are you choosing? I'm just asking. I'm just asking.
Answer that.
Eggo waffle.
Thank God. We're about to get fired.
It was a simple question. Jeez.
Are you that dumb? Oh my God, dude. I never know with Malcolm. He likes 7-Eleven more than normal food.
7-Eleven is good. Well, anyway, Lord of Waffles said, drove 2 hours from Connecticut. Open house did not disappoint. Thank you for making the trip, brother.
Where are the waffles?
Yeah, where's the waffles? If you're the Lord of Waffles, send some waffles over here. Frankie bought a 24-pack of waffles for himself the other day. I will out him right now.
No one even know that. That's crazy.
Yup. One-man family.
I say family size because I'm family.
He is a one-man family. He lost the kids, lost the wife. It's just... Whoa, Halcyon commented, damn, the FOMO was insane. Congrats on an awesome day, gents. Thanks, Halcyon. Sorry you couldn't make it. Yeah, open house was lit. Go watch the video. It is definitely going to be one to remember.
That was basically just a music video for Dennis Benson. Yep.
Yeah, low-key. Dennis Benson was the whole background music. Good music video.
His first music video.
Yeah. What else we got? Flows Nation. Need for this to happen again. So upset I couldn't make it. You're beat, kid. Next. No, just kidding. Nah, maybe it'll happen sometime in the future. Maybe we could close the street down one. Yeah, give us some permits. Maybe it'll be easier. Or what if we just throw an event at E-Town? Not the same. Not at all. Yeah, it really won't be. XR2 says, hey, the whip made it in the video. Yeah, if your car was in the video, comment. Let us know which one it was. Mike Stansko. Awesome recap video. Wish I could have made it. Shop looks amazing, Frankie and team. Thanks, Mr. Stansko. Thanks. See what questions we got on the gram. I don't have my phone. BRB.
Is this supposed to be the fast forward?
Yeah. Oh, now that we fast forward, I'm back. Cyclit. Oh, I thought it says cyclit, but it says cyclicult. Cyclit. Why are there so many episodes missing from the Patreon/YouTube? Episodes of what?
Just didn't put faction hot lap at the end of it.
Oh, that's all of them are there. You just gotta find them. We'll fix it. We'll fix it in post. It's a hot lap playlist. It'll be there. When's Frankie's gonna start taking TRT and get jacked? You're gonna take TRT? No?
No.
He'll probably start taking estrogen before TRT. Get a little titty. Would you guys do TRT? Anybody? Testosterone replacement therapy.
Usually you take that when you're 90,
Yeah, and you need a little T boost.
but now everyone takes it when they're 20.
Yeah.
That's because they're a bunch of
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm not doing TRT. I'm good off that.
Go to the gym.
My testosterone is through the roof. Yeah. Yes, it is. What?
There's a simple answer. It's testosterone boost. Stop jerking off.
Is that what you do? He's a freak. How do you feel about GAT/H2O? That's just been dead since 2019. 2019 was the last good year. Last good year. Tell Frankie to pronounce coffee.
I'm not like that. Coffee.
Yeah, he's not a coffee guy. Nah.
Coffee.
Nobody here has a thick New Jersey or New York accent here.
Yeah, it's only Nick.
Yeah. Only Nick talks like that.
The Don.
The Don of New Jersey and New York. Simple Smith, did Frankie heel flip his car or kick flip it when it was on the rotisserie? It doesn't spin that easily, right?
I kick flipped it.
You kick flipped it?
No, I didn't flip it.
Just slowly turned it?
Okay.
Oh, you did a little rock to fakie on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much what it was.
Hit a little rock to fakie on it. Nothing crazy. I just noticed this is back on here.
You just noticed? That's crazy.
When did you do that?
Last Friday. Yeah.
I did not notice it was back on there. Well, I think that's about it for the questions, guys. As you can see, it's Busy day in the shop. Gentlemen, our balls deep. What else we got on here? Check out our Patreon. Patreon.com/Faction Motorsports. Get exclusive content. Oh, happy Father's Day. Jesus, the only father here. How was your day? Let's go get an interview from a father himself. Daddy. What'd you do for Father's Day?
Went to church because I'm a good Christian man.
Holy man.
Don't judge me. I don't judge y'all. We good. Then we went to Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji.
Yeah. And Frankie too.
Yeah, he went to Mount Fuji. Frankie loves that place.
Fucking good ass food, but Malcolm hates it.
We'll go. We'll go next time.
What's your guys' take on hibachi food? I feel like it all tastes the same and it's all nasty.
Yeah, it all tastes the same and it's good as fuck.
It all tastes like
Butter,
greasy ass rice and lo mein on a. That shit's ass.
Just fresh takeout.
Yeah, it's fresh takeout, literally. Fresh takeout.
With a show.
With a show. Yeah, you're paying for the show.
Kris, how do you feel about it?
Same.
Yeah, it's because they're Asian, Jesus.
Yeah.
So that was easy.
Yeah, us Asian people, we don't do that. We don't do that hibachi.
If I wanted Chinese food, I'll get it delivered.
For a quarter of the price. It tastes like Chinese food, that's the problem.
Basically Chinese.
They're saying it's Japanese food, it tastes Chinese.
That doesn't taste like Chinese food at all to me.
The cut was good, and it wasn't like I had teriyaki sauce. They had it wasn't like Chinese food to me.
No, not at all.
I don't know what they're talking about.
I'd rather go to Fogo de Chao.
Ooh. That place is pretty good. Brazilian meats. You know where I'd rather go? Probably White Manna. 7-Eleven. I've been addicted to the 7-Eleven chai latte for the past week. Are we good? Why are we judging me?
You're not a good Christian.
Yeah, I'm not a good Christian man. What the All right. Shout out to Chandler M for joining the Patreon. High tier member. We fuck with you. For real. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, go hit up our Patreon. Go follow our Instagram if you don't. Yeah. That's about it. Hit him with the outro, Frank. I don't know.
And then with the outro, see ya.
I want to see me dolphin dive under the Firebird.
You dolphin dive under the Firebird, you're going to hit your head on the diff.
Yeah.
Bing!
That would be a good outro.
Oh, God.
Family just.
Is he going to do it?
No. Don't do it, bro.
Where is he?
See you guys next week. Oh no.
I didn't really say where is he?